Well, ladies and gentlemen, today is the 24th of June. It's almost 6 o'clock East Coast time. And this is the Dow Jones. As you can see, there was some bad news overnight. And so it has lost almost 1%. But it is still trading in that wedge. As long as this side hold, we expect it to come back and recover this side of town. You see the structure, so that's the first, okay. So if you get another green here, that'll be triple bottom, and that is a sign for you to go long, to buy. So as long as this side hold, you will expect to cover this side in a couple of days. So wait for an engulfing pattern on the 1 hour or 4 hours, and then you can go long. I hope this helps. Happy trading today.